Not long ago, the typical organization had a handful of business applications. But as time went by, those applications multiplied. New applications were added to meet tactical needs. Business units built their own applications. Competitors were acquired and their applications added to the mix. And IT was expected to manage it all. Today, organizations suffer from application bloat. They run dozens of applications for ERP, CRM, finance, inventory, sales, support, and more. Many of these applications are redundant across silos. Application environments have grown big. They're complex and unwieldy. They sap business performance, and they're brutally expensive. How much of your IT budget is spent simply to sustain applications? A Forrester study found that application maintenance consumes 65% of the average IT budget. It's as high as 90% in some organizations. That leaves little time and budget to invest in strategic innovations and meet business needs as they arise. Why does it cost so much just to keep your application environment up and running? IT staff spend too much time integrating legacy applications and managing complex interfaces. You may not need these legacy applications anymore, but you still need the data within them. And data volumes are growing all the time. This impacts performance, data security, and compliance. You can't just throw money at the problem. Buying more hardware would blow your budget and worsen complexity. What can you do? The Informatica platform can help. Informatica's industry-leading data management technologies give you the tools you need to reduce application bloat and refocus IT on strategic business initiatives. Thousands of organizations use the Informatica platform to achieve three key objectives. First, to sustain the application environment at reduced cost and complexity by safely retiring legacy applications and securely archiving their data. Second, to enhance the application environment and modernize business processes by making application migration and integration much more productive and by giving business users self-service access to complete trusted data. Third, to transform the application environment into a business engine for innovation and growth with a single source of truth across applications and by unleashing the business potential of big data. Let's look at three companies that use the Informatica platform to achieve these goals. EMC is a global leader in information storage solutions. It grew at a phenomenal rate, acquiring more than 40 companies in just 4 years. Data volumes surged exponentially. EMC's ERP database swelled to 2 terabytes of data, its CRM database to 7 terabytes. Storage costs soared from $3 to $5 million a year. EMC needed to take control of data growth and high costs. Using the Informatica platform, EMC retired 21 custom-built and packaged Oracle E-Business Suite applications. EMC securely archived the data within those legacy applications while preserving easy data access for reporting and compliance. The results? Fewer applications to manage, more IT staff for higher profile projects, lower storage and licensing costs. By retiring legacy applications, EMC saved $1 million. The Informatica platform was chosen to retire their applications because of the success EMC realized from archiving inactive data from production applications. The ongoing live archiving boosted the performance of EMC's Oracle applications by 50%, slashed maintenance by 20%, and saves EMC $3 million a year every year. When IT is freed from application maintenance, it's challenged to enhance the application environment to modernize business processes. That's not easy with hand coding and manual processes, especially migrating data from legacy to modern applications and integrating applications on-premise or in the cloud. Data in applications is incomplete and inaccurate. End users can't access information when and where they need it. IT can't implement data quality controls at the point of entry within the applications. Without standardization, the organization lacks visibility and control. HealthNow is a large health insurer in New York. It struggled to develop a single standardized data access framework for its service-oriented architecture, or SOA. Data on members, claims, reimbursements, lab results, and more was spread across 16 applications. It took HealthNow 1,700 hours to add a new product to its portfolio. Users had to go to 5 different places to get claims information. With all of the rapid change in the industry, including healthcare reform, HealthNow had to become more agile if they were going to survive. These data access problems prompted business units to create their own custom databases. Rather than solve the problem, that increased data fragmentation and security risks to sensitive healthcare data. By standardizing on the Informatica platform, including data services, HealthNow reduced system and data complexity and gave users a single web-based tool for all data access. This consolidation cut project costs by 3 times and improved delivery times by 5 times. HealthNow increased its business responsiveness by shortening from weeks to hours the time it took to provide access to critical claims information. The entire process improved compliance, reduced security risks, and enabled the business to trust the data. The business expects IT to be a strategic partner in innovations, to improve profitability and performance. Today, that means harnessing big data, large volumes from transaction systems and such sources as social media, sensors and devices, and call detail records. It means combining different data types for business insights. First, IT needs to solve the problem of data fragmentation across applications. It needs to deliver a single source of trusted master data on customers, products, and suppliers. IT needs to spearhead the transformation from disconnected application silos to the data-centric enterprise. Station Casinos runs 18 casinos and hotels in Las Vegas. It knows that it's one of many entertainment and lodging options available to consumers. And it knows that its ability to understand customer preferences and target them with personalized, real-time marketing can provide a huge competitive advantage. With Informatica, Station Casinos integrated data from more than 500 heterogeneous sources, including gaming, food and beverage, lodging and entertainment, to create a 360-degree customer view. Real-time data capture and integration enables Station Casinos to make immediate promotional offers to guests. With its customer-centric strategy, Station Casinos increased guest retention by 14% in 4 months, grew its new member acquisition rate by 160% in 1 year, and reduced marketing costs by $1 million per month. Is it time to rethink your application environment? It is if your IT team is spending more time and budget on an ever-expanding sprawl of applications and not investing in strategic enhancements and innovations to improve business profitability and performance. The Informatica platform delivers proven technologies to reduce the cost and complexity of your application environment. The platform comprises technologies for application retirement, data archiving, data migration, and data privacy in both production and non-production environments. The Informatica platform can access, discover, cleanse, and integrate data from virtually any application in any format and deliver it anywhere. With Informatica, you can provide complete and reliable data and give business users self-service data access in a collaborative environment. When it's time to rethink your application environment, think Informatica.